welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have another Toy Story DIY for you. Today is the day that it comes out. Hopefully I'm going to be able to get a spot in the cinema, but we will see. Definitely going to go this weekend to see it. I am more than excited. So for today's video, it's a little bit odd, but I made these little mochi. I think that's how you say it, right? I always want to say mochi, inspired Toy Story alien squishies. Like, oh, it's got a little bit of something on it. So I don't know if you've actually seen the kind of dessert that I've based this on, but they are like mochi inspired like Toy Story aliens, and they have like a filling inside. These don't, because they are obviously squishies, but look at them. Oh, they're so cute. I seen them on Holly's Instagram and I was like, as soon as I seen them, I was like, oh my goodness, I need to make a squishy version of that. There they are. So I'm going to show you how I made them and then come back here to give you a little kind of overview of them. So first of all, we need to make the mold. So taking some tin foil, I just wrapped some polymer clay around it and made the shape that I wanted. I then baked this in the oven, and this was like the perfect shape that I wanted to make and make a mold from. I then went ahead and took a bowl of like washing up liquid and water, and I just pumped in some silicone and kind of whooshed that around with my hands, creating a ball-like shape. I then just rolled that round, stuck it on a piece of plastic, and then once the kind of clay piece was out of the oven and cooled down, I just stuck that into the silicone to make the mold of it. I made sure to push up the silicone nice and like tight to the actual piece so I could make a really good mold. I then left it dry over 24 hours, and basically the next day it was then cured. So I just went ahead and popped the polymer clay kind of, you know, molding bit out of the actual mold, and it just slipped out really easy once I pulled back the silicone. As you can see, it's a nice smooth kind of mold insert there. Anyway, what I went ahead and did was I took some of this clear plastic. It's actually a liquid plastic that I got from a fishing shop. I'm sure you've seen me use this technique plenty of times. I know Macaroon recently mentioned this technique in her video after watching mine, which is so fantastic. But anyway, I went ahead and I popped some green like acrylic paint into the mix, and once it had fully melted down, I then popped it into the mold and let it cool down. If you are doing this, please make sure that you are obviously old enough to be handling hot plastic. You are wearing full safety gear, including gloves and a mask, as this can get quite stinky, and if you get it in your hands, it will really burn you. So yeah, please take precaution. Anyway, once the kind of plastic had cooled down in the mold, I was then able to peel it back from the mold, and it just popped out really easily with the help of my nails. As you can see, I just went ahead and repeated that 4 times until I had 4 little guys. What I then went ahead and did was I painted on their little faces just using acrylic paint. You can use puffy paint, but I found that it just peels off a lot easier. It does peel after a little while, so I think just going with acrylic paint, you won't really notice the difference. So I just painted on the eyes to begin with, and then painted on the mouth with a little pin. And once that was done on all 4 of the mochi aliens, my squishies were then complete. I did also buy a bowl to keep them all in, and I just think they are adorable. Just look at them. They're so cute. So here's the little bowl that they're in. It is a little bit too big because they look kind of small in there, but this was the only one that I could find in the local like thrift store charity shop, so I just picked this one up for them. But I think they are so cute. Like, look at them, they are adorable. I think they're all just in there so nicely, sitting down in their little bowl. I think it's so cute. They are really kind of squishy. Look at them. I don't know, there's something about like these that just don't look homemade at all when you get these type of squishies. I just love them. I think they're so adorable. So anyway, I hope you have enjoyed my few little Toy Story DIYs. I haven't done that many. I did intend to do a few more, but you know, a girl's been busy. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you very soon for another video. Bye!